Okay, we've written another integral. This one's from the University of Florida Integration Bee 2016, problem 2. We have the integral of sinh x plus x natural log x cosh x all over x dx. Okay, there's a lot of things jumping out. Like, first of all, with this plus right here, we could actually break this up into two fractions. And when we do that, we would get cancellation with the x's here. Now, also, we've got the situation, if we don't cancel the x, and we have this natural log x, the derivative of it, like 1 over x, could be right here. I mean, ignore that x, but like, this is going to be the derivative of natural log x. And we also have the derivative of sinh x, which is cosh x over here. So there's just a lot of things going on. I think what I want to do to start is, let's just break this up into two integrals. So dividing x into both parts. The first one is going to be sinh x over x. And then for this second one, I'm going to, because the x's are going to cancel, I'm going to leave that off and write this as just natural log x cosh x. And then, like I said, we notice we've got the derivative of ln x over here with 1 over x. We've got the derivative of sinh x cosh x. So this would be a good case for the reverse product rule. And I think I'm going to do something really similar and just do integration by parts on this. I can choose either one of these integrals to work on. I think I'm going to work on this second one. I don't think it matters at all. So I'm just going to pick this second one and do integration by parts using the DI method. What I'm going to do is differentiate the natural log x because that tends to be hard to integrate without remembering the formula. Then I'll just integrate this part, integrate cosh of x. I'll go ahead with this. If I differentiate natural log x, then I have 1 over x. Integrating cosh x, this is going to be sinh x dx. No, we don't really need the dx right there. Okay, so then let's see what we have. We've got part of the solution right here on the diagonal. So we're going to have natural log x sinh x. Then here the row is going to be an integral. So putting this together, we have minus. I'm going to combine these together, write it as sinh. See, I'm just, you can tell I'm off today because you can tell I'm kind of far off today because I can't even spell sinh. I think I'm just going to leave it just for fun because I think it's funny to see two i's in the sinh. But then remember, we haven't dealt with this part yet. So let's take this and bring this down here. We'll make a little space so we can see everything that's happening. So here this is going to be, we're going to add this integral of sinh x over x dx. But then what do we notice? This integral here is identical to this integral here if you just ignore the spelling mistake. And so then what we can do is if we just cancel this one with this one, we're just left with this. And so for my final solution to this, we just have natural log x sinh x plus c, and that's it. Okay, so that's a really quick one from the Florida Integration Bee. They're not all this easy. I think they just kind of started easy, and I think there's some harder ones later on. So I'll keep going with more of these. Thanks everyone for watching. Have a good day.